guys, we're almost there in the cargo, like we said last time this morning.
Nangangaway daw.
So this is another Polaris car, but I don't know why. There's so many Polaris car, but we're going to station 1, but we went to station 2. Because station 1 needs to summer. Because the zone is not in Mindanao, but it's in Luzon. But we need to go to Visayas. We might get lost in Visayas, but okay. It's Fien.
Wala, pwede pala utang eh. Ay libre. Ay libre ate, plastic lang.
Ay. Teka lang po. Yung mga nasa
Sir, dito.
Ito, wait lang.
Oh my gosh.
Magkano dito ko?
What is that? Church. Okay, abandoned church.
Ito.
The street is kinda empty. This is, I think, it's kinda empty a little bit because they're all parked.
Ay, naabot ng ilang
It's
araw.
like the way to my hometown. Yeah. My hometown is beyond the Philippines. Oh,
Nakuha mo na, mami?
so many houses.
Salamat pa, ma'am. Dublin ko, ma'am.
It's a village. It's a village. Manok! Manok in silang. Manok in...
Thank you, madam. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Ay, paper lang yan. We stopped to get data. And I brought a sack to brought any small things. Yeah. And I found paintbrush.
Sa bagay kasi. Ililista yan doon.
Just the part of the sack. It's there for years and I still ignored it.
International yan, dudo.
We're moving! Ayun na.
Ang ginagawa,
Mama
ang
Lola.
ginagawa lang nila, tinuturoan ka lang ng step by step.
Yes! Let's go! I'm going to the cargo. I do not dare show any license plate. I will get I might get arrested or something. I don't know. We are at border point checkpoint.
50 pesos po.
But I can show you the sign, but don't look at the CP.
30.
That is CP. I know, I'm not gonna see it.
Ito, meron pa ako.
Ay, okay lang.
Yeah.
Relax na nagbibilang. 20, 30, 40.
That's a doggy running around.
30D. Sir, 16 na.
Look, guys.
Look
Look at the grass. Guys, got something to tell you. Touching grass. Look.
Ang sarap na habang mainit pa.
That door in Greece. That's the end.
Ang sarap na ang food.
Ay, malunggay bagang flavor.
No. But you're almost there.
Wala pa
Almost halfway there. You're at the gate. I don't know if I can show this. But it just looks like a... Yeah, it's like patterned gate. Yeah, I'm just gonna show this part. Yeah, it's just like that. Oh, sir. Security. Yes! I see ship. Global port.
Sabi mo, pag gagawin mo pa ako.
This is my first time. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Awan ko bakit.
Dahil yung nangyari sa Ford.
So nervous. First time ko lang makakabak.
Yan, naglo-loading na ngayon yan, Montenegro. Eh, inano kami ng, ano ba yun?
Actually,
tawag doon?
big
Picture ba
ship.
yung tawag doon?
I only
Porter?
I only tried smallish. So yeah. I just don't want to look at the water. Here is the second gate. I'm not gonna show it, but it's like yellow and black. I can't show because security is looking at us.
Ay, babasa
Wait, what?
Tingnan niyo yung ticket niyo dyan.
Rare zone area. Wait, it says rare zone area.
Ano na yung tinapay mo? Mahawak sa rin.
You can show their security.
Ha?
If I see someone's face, I can't blur it.
Dito kayo papasok, mami, oh, sa gate.
Oh. PPE zone area. Okay.
Jeep.
I don't know where we are. But the car is going to cargo.
Saan na sila?
Ano ko po? Nandiyan. Oh, passengers. That's way. Okay, Martin. We're deciding to go to line. Because caring is going to cargo.
Pakuntinto na.
Car going cargo.
Talaga pinanan ako. Dapat siguro pinakasama ko at wala akong bayo.
So,
Lima lang tayo. Eh, driver mo.
Wow, there's so many things I can show you. Oh, ticket book. Yeah, this is the rules. Bomb jokes or false bombs punished by no. This is the port of Matnog. Matnog, wow. Some second egg, what egg?
pasok na lang daw si Jordan sa ano.
Ay. Okay, we gotta go to the scanner. Sorry, guys. We got some personal items in hand. Wow, this truck is so big. It's just like an airport.